This is how to sharpen a lawnmower blade. To take the blade off of the lawnmower, check your owner's manual. Here's the blade. It's not too bad. It's got a few little dings in it, but not too bad. So put it in a vise. You know, you could put it on a bench or something too and put your foot on it to hold it if you don't have a vise. But just take a few swipes off the blade. That cleaned up. Do the other side. Flip it over. Keep the file flat. Just take off any burrs. Might have to angle a little bit. This one is rounded up. Clean up the other side. Looks pretty good. Be careful. Then get really sharp and cut your finger. You don't want to put much pressure on it. Then to check and see if it's balanced, just take a screwdriver, put it into the center hole. This side went down a little bit, so we're going to take off just a little bit more. You want it balanced so that you don't wear out the bearings in your lawnmower. It should do it. Let's check it and see here. That side's still a little bit heavy, but that's good enough. That's it. Reinstall back on your lawnmower, and you're good to go.